Is your social media feed secretly shaping your worldview? Is your social media feed secretly shaping your worldview? The answer is yes, but probably not in the way you think. A groundbreaking study by Bakshi in 2015 analyzed 10.1 million US Facebook users and 3.8 billion interactions with news content. The results challenge a common assumption. While algorithms do play a role in filtering what we see, the biggest influence on our exposure to diverse perspectives is our own behavior. If news consumption were purely random, an average user would encounter 40 to 45% content that contradicts their political beliefs. However, because people tend to form friendships with like-minded individuals, this number drops significantly to 24% for liberals and 35% for conservatives. The Facebook algorithm then further reduces cross-cutting exposure, but only slightly, by 5% for conservatives and 8% for liberals. The most striking finding: when people actually have access to diverse content, they largely choose to ignore it. Only 7% of the hard news articles appearing in users' feeds are clicked on, and the overwhelming tendency is to avoid articles that challenge one's own beliefs. In other words, the biggest filter isn't technology, it's human nature. This has real-world consequences. When we only engage with information that aligns with our pre-existing views, we reinforce our biases and deepen ideological divides. Studies suggest that exposure to a broader range of perspectives helps people develop a more nuanced understanding of complex issues and reduces political polarization over time. So how can you break out of your own filter bubble? Start by actively seeking out content that challenges your beliefs. Follow news sources from different perspectives, even if they make you uncomfortable. Instead of instinctively scrolling past opposing viewpoints, take a moment to read and understand them, and most importantly, engage in conversations outside your bubble, not to argue, but to genuinely listen. Now ask yourself, when was the last time you read an article that made you rethink your opinion? Share it in the comments.